Namaste friends. In this video I'll show you how we can clean our home so beautifully using soap nut and citrus bioenzyme. So this is a Robo Rock with which we are cleaning home, and in this is the container in which we fill water. So for around 2000 ml of water I'm using 2 capful of the citrus and soap nut bioenzyme. So that is around 10 ml for 2000 ml of water, and then close the lid, place it into the Roborock, and there is another compartment there where all the dirt is collected after mopping the floor. So that is the other side. So here the Roborock functions and it starts mopping and vacuuming the whole floor. So after it is done its job, we can find the two compartments as the dirty container is the one in which all the dirt is collected. So you can find so much of dirt particles, and the house is so amazingly cleaned. It's excellent, and yes, I would recommend everybody to use our natural products, citrus and soapnut bioenzyme, and even clean our home using the machines. So we can now use our bioenzymes even in the Robo Vacuum cleaners. So please start making and using these natural products in our daily life to protect our environment and also ourselves. Thank you all so much.